I'm out here in Medina, and there's buzzards flying everywhere because of the harvesting of this hay. I think it's hay. I'm at my sister Carrie's house, Spieth Road, Medina. And so they harvested a lot yesterday. They cut the hay, and when they do that, they cut up a lot of animals. So the buzzards come around to eat the dead animals. They've been flying everywhere. Some of them low, some of them high. I've seen a couple down in the field. Earlier there were some nasty chemtrails, but now it's very nice, mostly clear. Got a natural puffy cloud over there. Cotton puff cloud. But yeah, incredible. The way I'm out here for a sweet 16th birthday party, one of my nieces. Nice rural country, beautiful mid-September day. September 18th, 2021, Medina County. Where's the buzzards? Yeah. Hell, that looks like a bald eagle. Yeah, that one bird looked like a bald eagle. So, anyway, just wanted to do a little video on the story here about the farmer harvesting the hay and the bald eagle, buzzards, turkey vultures coming in to eat the dead animals that they're chopping up while they're harvesting. Well, the life of a farmer.